success, business plan, pricing, marketing and sales forecasting. Foundation building a robust business plan. So, business model, market opportunity, operational plan. So, keep the plan living, update quarterly with new metrics and experiments. So, understanding your market. Define and prioritize segments by revenue potential and ease of acquisition. Combine qualitative interviews with quantitative sources to validate demand. So target audience, primary persona, secondary persona, decision makers. So competitive landscape, main competitors, substitutes, and gaps. Key differentiators, price, service, speed, and experience. So doing a business, so she or understand the target market. So atong ikuan nga examples kana mga lugar is patok ba na dagan ba yung mga malitay, dagan ba yung mga consumer, and also the product is trending ba na or affordable ba na sa mismo consumer, and also ang price is fit ba sa budget sa isa ka tao, imong service is kuan ba ako na patok ba siya sa uban o gana ba siya o kanang dagan ba siya review, and also yung experience is one of the important and isang experience niya sa isang consumer kay namo na good ang ilang experience sa imo ha sa imong store sa imong product and also sa imong service damo nga mo duog yun sila sa imo ha. So designing the product and service, so value proposition, you use statement tools for the problem solve a measurable outcome in 30 to 90 days. So features versus benefits. Prioritize benefits in messaging map features to the top with dire convictions. Proof and trust. Early testimonials, short case studies and low friction trial reduce purchase risk. So say your product, you also kanang dapat imo i-consider ang sama ang imo consider ang kanang quality and also kanang patok o trend sa mismo nga consumer, like for example say like product mo gusto mo fit sa mismo nga mga product, so dapat imo na consider kay the more nga kanay yung packaging, the more attract ang imo sa consumer, and also the features versus benefits. Kanon mo kung gusto mo ang benefits na yung product when it comes to business, and also proof and trust. The more good in service, the more yung solid ang isa ka consumer sa mga hindi siya magduduhan, like for example na customer customer din mo pakialanin na ikaw di lang kung basta good ang imong packaging, di lang kung affordable yung price, and also good ang imong service, so kira lang kay ma tanin ni mga customer ni mga o makagain siya trust sa imo. Next is strategic pricing. So cost plus and margin targets, value based pricing, tires and anchors, promotion and discounts. So dagdag klase sa strategic pricing. So dili ba include ang imong nana imo i-minus ang imong magasto sa imong presyo para mabaw-an mo nga at the end of the day kita ba ka wala, and also sa value based pricing, price to perceive value to quantify for ROI and capture a portion of that value. So kung isa po sa technique sa mga na ay mga business is a promotion and discounts. So, unsa man kuan nila benefit. The more na naa kay mga inaano nga style, the more nga kuan ang customer sa mo. Internet, daghan. Akala tayo mo matasirin tayo o mas spread ang information. So, dayo mo lang yung business. Ang daghan mo pala. So, marketing master plan. Build an integrated plan linking brand acquisition, retention, and measurement focus on high ROI channels for the first 12 months. So, brand, positioning, messaging, visual identity, acquisition, topic channels to test, feed search, content, partnerships, retention, onboarding flows, in life cycle, product launches. So, digital marketing deep dive. So, diri na nimo kung ano nimo mag-graphic na ka kung imong kay ability kay imong mga gasto and also sa imong mga imo ditoy ko mga demand imo compare kung sa mga demand ko na kung sa mga patok sa customer mo kaya di lang ka basta-basta na if you are entering or doing or having a business is you should know how to adopt and manage those marketing strategies. For sales and forecast, predicting and driving, pipeline hygiene, stage definition with probabilities, and minimum variable close timeline. Was scenario planning, create conservative, expected, and aggressive scenarios tied to challenge spec. Conversion, focus on experimentalize, leverage, step, lead qualification, and onboarding conversation. So use a simple funnel model, leads conversation rate by AOV rev equals revenue. Break forecast into weekly or monthly cohorts for clarifying. So financial position from cost to cash flow. So dili nimo kuan ang mga pagsugod pa lamang nimo imo na pundar or imo kanang exact amount na imong gilaan para makasugod ka. No, so, magaw dili na mabawaan kung kita magaw wala kay every time na natin gasto kung naatay malugo ang kwarta imo dito is a breakdown and try and mga business logistic naman rin hindi kay ka profit sa kanang business na imong lastly, if you plan having a business or you are already having a business, so you should consider business plan, which is marketing, pricing, and sales forecasting. Bilang also opposite, mag-focus ka sa isa ka tao. So, bilang kung nasa pricing ka hanggang update, also i-apply mo ang tanan. Okay, without those three aspect is dili gid mo ingon na successful wala ba kapalo kung may mga dagan sa mga business na nabawi pa nimo yung puhunan or waya. So, i-consider din mo tulong kasi makita mo kung makonsider din mo is makita nimo ang outcome mismo sa imong business. So, it will lead na mas daghan pa kay idagdag ma-visualize pa nimo kung gusto nimo insert dito sa mga business. So by the help sa katungkod is makahatag po kag insight sa mga nagama po ng business. So I think that for listening.